Hello everybody, this is Nora with NAQ57, and on this next review video I have for you, I have some Yayoge gel polishes, 6 different shades here now. I don't remember the variation of the colors, but I wanted to show you how you can expect them to come here in these nice boxes here. In these boxes. So let me go ahead and remove them all out the box so we can take a look at the colors and then start some swatches. Okay, so here they all are out of the boxes. Guys, these are a collection of pastels and neutral colors, all in creams, so no glitters or anything, all in creams. And these are your traditional gel polishes, which require a base coat and a top coat. I do have a base coat and top coat from Yayoge as well, but since I'm going to swatch these on these tips right here, these plastic tips, I'm not going to apply a base coat. I'm only going to finish them with a top coat since they do cure with a tacky layer. And I do cure them. I've used the Yayoge gel polishes before, and they cure very well in 30 seconds. So you can do 30 seconds to a minute under your LED lamp, depending on the wattage. Mine is 48 watts. So I'm going to go ahead and I will show you a close-up of the different colors as I am swatching them on the tips, and I hope you guys enjoy. Yeah, so here are all the beautiful shades. Check them out. Oh my gosh, beautiful creams. I love the shades. So yeah, very neutral and pastel-like. Can anyone guess my favorite? I actually have two, a number 1 and number 2. So the number 1, yes, if you thought of this olive green, oh my gosh, out of all my green collections, believe it or not, I have been wanting to have an olive gel polish just like this for a long time, and I'm so happy to have this one now in my collection. My other one is this Cheyenne. Yeah, so that's like a it's like a greenish with a yellow base. One of those that you either hate it or love it. And I love colors like these that are somewhat different, and a lot of people probably will not care for them. I love that. It's in that again because it has that green, some green in there. Very pretty. This green also, this was a little bit more pastel, and this is like I'm gonna say not, yeah, I guess kind of like a peach color. And then this light brown, the Peru brown, and this baby blue. Check them out. Beautiful collection, guys. So if you have any questions about these, leave them below and I'll be happy to answer. Remember, this is Yayoge, and I do have a 10% discount code. I will put that on the screen as well as down in the description bar below. I will go ahead and leave you at the end with the design that I'm going to do with my 2 favorite colors and probably some stamping. So that is all I have for you guys on this video today. I would like to thank Yayoge for sending me these beautiful colors to play with and review. If you guys enjoyed my video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and thank you for watching.